In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text inside a shape in Canva. It's a simple and fun technique that can jazz up your designs remarkably. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to effortlessly incorporate and align text within a variety of shapes, giving your projects a professional and polished look. So let's dive right into it. To start, open Canva on your device. Canva is a fantastic, user-friendly graphic design tool that's perfect for creating stunning visuals. If you don't already have an account, I recommend taking a moment to sign up, as it will unlock numerous useful features. Once you're in, create a new design. You can do this by clicking the Create a Design button. Choose the format that best suits your project, whether it's a social media post, a flyer, or even a presentation slide. This step sets the canvas we are going to work with. Now, once you have your blank canvas ready, you need to add a shape where the text will reside. Head over to the left-hand side of the dashboard and find the Elements tab. Click on it, and a whole world of design possibilities will open up before you. Click on Shapes within these elements. You'll see numerous shape options ranging from basic squares and circles to more complex and abstract forms. The next step is choosing the shape you want to use for your text. Pick one that complements your design's theme and style. Once you've selected your desired shape, drag it onto your canvas. You can reposition it by clicking and moving it around to find the perfect spot. Resizing the shape is crucial to ensure your text fits well and looks balanced within it. Click on the edges or corners of the shape to drag and resize as needed. Consider how much text you'll be placing inside the shape so that it doesn't appear cramped or too stretched. Now here comes the key step, wrapping your text inside the shape. Simply double-click the shape on your canvas. This action will allow you to start typing directly within the shape. Alternatively, if you already have text prepared, you can easily paste it into the shape. Canva does a great job of auto-wrapping your text, but you may need to make slight adjustments in terms of font size or line spacing to achieve the perfect look. Congratulations, you've now successfully wrapped text inside a shape in Canva. This method is not only practical for various design needs, but also a great way to enhance the visual impact of your graphics. Experiment with different shapes and text alignments to add a unique touch to all your future Canva projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.